And now I'm going to show you how to take a cabinet off of this washing machine. You remove the two end caps. You remove the two screws holding the top on. There's one here and there's one here. And then you simply flip up the console. Next, you want to disconnect the lid switch. Move these out of the way. Then you want to remove the two clips holding the cabinet to the back. There's one clip here, one clip here. And then you simply open the lid, take and swing the cabinet forward. And now you have access to the machine, to the timer, the water level switch, the hose for the water level switch, and I'll show you the motor and the pump in a few minutes. But there you go.